So let's finish up. I went into too much detail about shaitan, but it's so important that I wanted to mention that. So let's get back to this ayah. Subhana. Subhana is in the position of like what we covered in Surah Al-Baqarah with Hudan lil-Muttaqin, meaning that it's like in English it's known as a gerund or something that's acting as a as an action of that verb. It's an ongoing action of that verb. So Subhana Rabbi. So he's being glorified. Allah Subhanahu wa Taala is being glorified. Subhana, because this comes after the ayah before it, which is saying that if Allah Subhanahu wa Taala had a son, then I would be the first one to be the worshiping him. That he was told, Rasulullah was told to say that. But of course, he didn't have a son. So then Allah Subhanahu wa Taala says, "Glory be to the Lord of the skies, and the earth." And so now you can see that the attitude part, they're definite because they have alif lam, and the last letter is lowered. You can see that it has a kasra. Both of them has kasra, like ardi and asamawati and wal ardi, and then the addition. The second edition also is lowered. You can see Rabbi, but the first edition is according to the position in the sentence, which is the acting like a verbal noun. So that's why it's what we call erected, not lowered or raised, but erected, and meaning that it takes a fatha. So subhana. That's why it's a subhana. So likewise, for example, another example of erection is like when a noun is the object of a verbal sentence, it is also erected. So, and then the last part of it is Rabbil Arsh, Rabbil Arshi, Rabbi Samawati, Rabbil Arsh. Rabbil, and so Rabbil Arsh, you can see there's no wow before it, so it's an acting as an adjective to Rabbi Samawat. Subhana Rabbil Arshi, and you can see that it's acting as a adjective to Rabbi Samawat because Rabbi is also lowered. It's not the last letter is lowered. It's not being raised, so it can't be the description of Subhana. Otherwise, if it was a description of Subhana, it would be erected. That it would have fatha. But since it's lowered, the last letter is lowered. It's acting as a description of Rabbi, the Lord of the skies. So, Arsh is the throne. So the Lord of the throne. So it comes from the three-letter root Ain, Ra, Shin, and so it's another added addition and added to. So the added to is Arsh, which is Lord. Last letter is Lord, and the addition is Lord because it's acting as an adjective to Rabbi Samawat. So, and then so that's, I just wanted to mention that last part for this ayah. And then the other thing is I wanted to apologize for not being more regular with the postings. And that's only because I was trying to figure out how to make the Quran easier for people to absorb, and so I think I figured out some ways to do that because the knowledge that I've already given with the Surah Al-Fatiha and the first first several ayats of Surah Al-Baqarah, I'm going to show you how just with that small amount of knowledge and with the knowledge of Bismillah and A'udhu Billah and the Shahadatain, how you can already how you can hop around from different to different parts in different parts of the Quran and understand the Quran just with this simple knowledge. And so that's why I'm showing you, that's why I'm showing so many examples, inshallah. So let me stop there.